Hi guys, I wanted to make a video, a quick tutorial on how to put on your eyebrows. As you can see, I have my full face. I just wanted to do a quick eyebrow tutorial. So this is my eyebrow on fleek and this is my sad eyebrow. This is my natural brows. So you can see I have sparse hairs there at the end. And I also want to introduce you guys to a makeup cosmetics eyebrow bundle that not only do I have an affiliate code, so you guys get 10% off if you use my code, but it's bomb.com because it's waterproof. So the bundle's $25 and it comes with the eyebrow pomade, eyebrow gel, this concealer brush, eyebrow pen, and this big eyebrow pencil. I've used it as lip liner, eyeliner, however. So let's start. You don't have to do it this way. This is the way I prefer to do it. I start off with the brow pomade. So I take some product on the brush that comes with it. And I put it on the back of my hand so that I'm not using too much. And then I can always go back to my hands and take it out. So what you want to first do is you want to start right here in the middle of your brow. That's where you want to put the most product. And then you want to turn your neck a little bit and outline it. You never want to start at the beginning of your brow with the product because you want that faded eyebrow look, and you're not going to get that faded eyebrow look if you have all that product there. So as you can see, I am outlining my eyebrow. I'm sorry, I just realized that I keep covering my hand up. So see that? Oh, I'm gonna turn the fan on. Ooh, these lights are a little bit hot. So you see, what if I am gonna pin my hair a little bit to get it out of my face, for the sake of this tutorial. Anyway, so there you go. So as you can see, like I said, you don't have to do it this way. And then you want to do hair-like strokes. Yeah, you don't have to do it this way. I like to do it this way. Some people, I use the pen and the pomade. Like I said, this is waterproof. So if you're like me and you have sparse eyebrows, and I mean, even if you have full blown eyebrows, and you're doing a full face of makeup, and you want to do your eyebrows. Now, when you're doing your eyebrows, right, a lot of people ask where to start. So you want to start, the beginning has to be right at the tear duct. The arch should be right at the end of the circle or the iris of your eye. And then your eyebrow should end right here. So it should basically angle. Bam. Practice makes perfect. So don't get upset if you're not an eyebrow pro. But I'll tell you what, I make mistakes all the time. So I just want to make a couple hair-like strokes. Bam, bam, bam. Then you just let this set for 90 seconds. Also, before I do my eyebrows, I put a little bit of powder on it, only because I have an oily T-zone, so that helps me with that part. So once you have that on, then I take my eyebrow pen, which is also waterproof, 24-hour hold, and I go over what I did. I hold so you can see I have the pen at the end. And then very gently I do hair-like strokes. So, very gently. I literally I don't have the pen, I don't have it tight. And like I said, don't worry about any mistakes because we will conceal it with the concealer. I'm purposely doing this eyebrow a little crazy just to show you guys, because you see that right now my eyebrows look like cousins, okay? They need to look like sisters. They're never going to be twins, but they need to look like sisters. So anyway, now the next step. So you see, I kind of, to give it that 90-second, I brush my hairs up. I also brush my hairs up right before I do, right before I outline. Anyway, you want to use 2 concealers or 1 concealer and your foundation. I just use 2 concealers. The first concealer should be a concealer there's about 2 to 3 shades lighter than you, and you want to put that on your brow bone. The next concealer that I'm going to use is my foundation color or my skin color. That's going to go on the top to clean up your eyebrows. Now, to clean up your eyebrows, you're going to use an angled concealer brush. And you're going to dip in the lighter concealer, like so. And you are going to start right in the middle and turn your head. So you're just going to, you're going to turn your neck. You're not going to, you don't want to go like this because sometimes you won't get like that crisp line. So I find if you hold the brush and just kind of go like that, and then you want to brush this down. What this does is it highlights your brow bone, but it also gives you a brow lift. Then you're going to take a concealer brush with long bristles or whatever you use to blend your concealer, and you want to blend this into your eyeshadow. Wipe the excess off. I have a towel there, in case you're wondering. And as you see, now it's highlighted. My brow looks lifted. I just, and again, like I said, it's okay to make mistakes. You just use the pen to fix that up. Now, I know some people arch their eyebrows. That looks kind of harsh on your face. So they should be arched, but also curved. So it shouldn't be like a triangle. It should be more of a curve. And let me wipe my concealer brush. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the top. So you're going to go into the foundation or the concealer that's your skin color or your foundation color. And you're going to do the top. Move your neck, move your neck, move your neck, move your neck. And then you want to brush it up, blend it up. And like I said, don't worry about any mistakes because your concealer is your best friend, sis. So don't you worry, girl. Trust in your concealer. Your concealer is your best friend. I know I just like when I see like some influencers that I follow And they don't show you, like they clip out, they edit out the mistakes that they make. I don't like that. You know, I want to show you that I too make mistakes doing my eyebrows. As you see, they're looking closer. I'm going to go again under the brow bone with the shade that's 3 shades lighter and just kind of fix this right here. You know, I remember when I first started doing my eyebrows, I used to stress out when they didn't come out perfect like the first time. And then eventually I started figuring out, well, concealer is my best friend. I was able to have a one-on-one Zoom meeting with Jacque Mgido Cosmetics. I'm sorry, I should have mentioned that at the beginning of the video. Jacque Mgido Cosmetics. That's where you're gonna go if you want to buy this. Look at all that product. And then I love this pomade because it's waterproof. It stays for 24 hours unless obviously you wash it off with soap and water. And then it already comes with this cute brush. And what's good about this is you can make hair-like strokes if you want your eyebrows to look more natural. Or you can do, I call these the Instagram brows. It's up to you. Once again, I'm going to go in and with the prep pen and just kind of do hair-like strokes. You know, to kind of get the places where it still looks a little sparse. I can't wait to use this pen, like, and just these products in their summertime. And then you just want to make sure that you check, bam, that you're where you're supposed to be. And we're just going to take that off a little bit. And yes. So right now, my eyebrows, you're like, that's still a little dark. Here's a little secret. You want to take the concealer brush that has the longer bristles, and you want to swipe it across whatever concealer is left, and then you want to take some excess off, and then you just want to flick it. Flick it. Get some more. And you see where I'm holding the pencil? So when I'm flicking, and as you see, it instantly lightened my eyebrow. So then you don't have that harsh line. I kind of then afterwards go in with an eyebrow brush, but very gently. But look, it does not come off, okay? As long as you let it set, it's not coming off. So as you can see, my eyebrows are popping. They look like a sister's now. I'm just going to fix it a little bit right in the front. And even I forget sometimes to turn my neck. Jacque Mgido actually gave me that advice. And ever since then, let me tell you, my eyebrows are on point. So here, fade that out a little bit more. The concealers that I'm using are the Tarte Shape Tape. But you can use whatever you use, whatever is comfortable to you. I am going to start using, I don't have it yet, but I'm going to start using Jacque Mgido's, she has cream concealers. Anyway, let's finish this bad boy up with some clear gel. Guys, this coronavirus situation, it sucks. I pray that you're all handling okay. But let me tell you something. Learn a new skill. If you don't know how to do your eyebrows, your makeup, and you've been wanting to learn how to do your eyebrows and makeup, but you are a busy mom, a busy person, a busy working, whatever. You just never have time for yourself. Learn a new skill. Look at that. My eyebrows look like sisters. I am gonna link. That is the end of my eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'm just gonna buff this out a little bit just to, there we go. So I am gonna link my code. It's capital JH 2020 to get your 10% off. These products are bomb. As you can see, doesn't come off. Easy, 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 easy to do. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. And also I will be doing some more tutorials. So if you guys have any questions or any requests, let me know. All right, guys. Love you. Bye.